In this video I will show you step-by-step process and tell you a website name. From there you can hire free SMO and lead generation specialist to your business for completely free of cost and for unlimited time. Access of this is completely free. Here you can generate real high qualities leads for your business completely free. Now you don't have to pay a single penny to anyone to generate leads for your business. Affiliate offer promotion. Hello, this is Luke, welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed please subscribe now to get updated tips for your business promotion free. Now let's start. Before going to website name sociopages.in, you need your Facebook page, Twitter account ready because they will ask for it. Step 1. Choose your website and your goals to achieve. And go to sociopages.in. Remember it or note it down. On this website you can hire an expert for lead generation or other types of promotion completely free. Simply go to sociopages.in and initiate chat with online executive and tell your requirement and they will guide you how to start. They will ask you some questions as what do you want, social media promotion or lead generation, business type or category, location, etc. You have just send them your website URL, target locations, business categories, keywords and your social media pages before starting. They do promotion on social media for free along with SEO of your website. If you liked video, subscribe to my channel and I shared website link in description box, you can check that. Thanks for watching.